안녕하세요, 여러분. Sienna here. Today, I'm going to talk about how to say princess in Korean. Before we start, I want to let you know that we have a resource page on how to say princess in Korean. I'll put a link in the description below. Let's begin! The word princess in Korean is 공주. It refers to a daughter of a king. For example, 덕혜 공주는 대한제국의 마지막 공주였습니다. This means Princess Deokhae was the last princess of the Korean Empire. 제일 멋있는 디즈니 공주는 누구예요? This means who's the coolest Disney princess? 공주 can also be used as a term of endearment for your significant other. For example, 우리 공주 보고 싶었어. This means, my princess, I missed you. The word 공주 can be expressed formally with 공주님. If you add the words 공주 and the honorific title 님, you get 공주님. This is similar to saying Your Highness. You're showing more respect when you use 공주님. For example, 네 공주님. This means, yes, Your Highness. 오늘 입은 옷 공주님 같아. This means you look like a princess today in that outfit. Another example is 무슨 문제가 있어요, 공주님? This means what's the matter, princess? There you have it. You now know how to say princess in Korean. If you're interested in learning Korean, we have a structured online course that will teach you how to have a 3-minute conversation in the first 90 days. You can find out more about that in the description below. Where have you heard princess in Korean? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time!